Without using a single iron nail, relying entirely on the ancient tradition of handcrafted mortars and tenon joinery, he built an incredibly strong and durable wilderness shelter. Every beam, every pillar, and every wooden connection was carefully carved by hand, locking together with remarkable precision. The craftsmanship is so solid that the entire structure stands firmly against the surrounding wilderness, proving that centuries-old woodworking techniques can still outperform modern shortcuts. But what truly makes this shelter extraordinary is its one-of-a-kind roof. Instead of ordinary wooden shingles or leaves, he spent days collecting smooth river stones from the nearby stream. Each stone was individually shaped, trimmed, and carefully fitted into place to create a stunning natural stone roof. The heavy stone layers provide exceptional protection against heavy rain, strong winds, and harsh weather, while giving the cabin a breathtaking appearance unlike anything seen in ordinary survival camps. And that's only the beginning. The most impressive feature is the incredible hanging garden built directly into the cliffside. Rather than wasting natural resources, he collected hundreds of discarded coconut shells and transformed them into beautiful hanging planters. One by one, each shell was carefully drilled, threaded together with natural rope, filled with rich soil, and planted with fresh vegetable seeds and herbs. After only a short time, tiny sprouts began to emerge. Soon, the once barren rock wall transformed into a vibrant vertical garden overflowing with lush green vegetables, climbing vines, fragrant herbs, and colorful foliage. The living wall not only provides a sustainable food source, but also naturally cools the shelter, making the entire space feel peaceful, fresh, and full of life. survival doesn't have to mean sacrificing comfort. At the base of the waterfall, he designed and constructed a beautiful floating bamboo raft, using only materials gathered from the surrounding forest. Carefully selected bamboo poles were securely lashed together to create a stable floating platform that gently drifts on the crystal clear water. On top of the raft, he handcrafted a comfortable reclining chair, allowing him to relax while listening to the soothing sound of cascading water. Beside it sits an elegant hexagonal tea table, perfectly sized for enjoying a warm drink while taking in the breathtaking scenery. To complete the atmosphere, he built an intricate system of handcrafted wooden lanterns. As evening falls, the lanterns glow with a warm golden light, reflecting across the calm water and creating an unbelievably magical scene that feels more like a luxury eco-retreat than a survival camp deep in the wilderness. Every single detail represents countless hours of patience, creativity, and determination. From cutting timber by hand, carving traditional joints, shaping natural stone, weaving bamboo, crafting furniture, building floating structures, and cultivating an elevated garden. Every part of this remarkable shelter tells a story of perseverance and masterful craftsmanship. Finally, after many long days of relentless hard work, the reward arrives. A massive barbecue feast sizzles over glowing charcoal, filling the air with the irresistible aroma of perfectly grilled meat, fresh fish, and seasonal vegetables. Flames dance beneath the grill while juices drip onto the hot coals, creating the satisfying crackling sounds that every outdoor cooking enthusiast loves. Beside the grill sits a large basket overflowing with crisp lettuce, fresh herbs, tomatoes, peppers, and leafy greens, all harvested just moments earlier from the coconut shell hanging garden. Every ingredient is completely fresh, naturally grown, and harvested by hand.